Hey guys, it's Rita. Today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Mumdas Life Handmade, and her co-host this month is Donna with Creative by Nature. Today's challenge is the Useful Paper Challenge. Let's get to it. So today I have two DIYs for you. I'll be using this empty ribbon spool, and I'm just going to decorate it with a few different items, and I'll let you watch. I've decided to use some of the trees that are on the little red truck decor items that you get at Dollar Tree. They come 4 to a pack, and then I'll use one of the red trucks as well. And we are finished with this first DIY. I think it turned out really cute. For my second DIY today, I'll just be using some of these paper straws that were left over from the 4th of July. And I'll just create a very simple Christmas tree. Both of these DIYs today are very simple and quick to do. And it's just a little decor to add to your home for the holiday season. I'll just be trimming these straws down. As you see here, as we go up, they'll get smaller and smaller to form the shape of the tree. Now here I'll be using 2 straws and hot glue them together. This will be the back of the tree as well as the trunk at the bottom. And now I'll just stagger these up the tree and add a bow to the top. And here I'm just going to add a simple bow to the top of the tree. And here we have it. Stay tuned for the display. Okay, here they are. Very simple, easy DIYs for some of your Christmas decor this year. I would like to thank Moomdas and Donna for hosting this challenge today. I enjoyed participating. Thank you to my subscribers for your continued support, and thanks to everyone who's watching today. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join my family. It's free. Please comment below. Let me know how you like this DIY. Also, hit that like button. It helps my channel grow. Thanks again, everyone, for watching, and I will see you in my next video.